Hello learners! Have you ever tried making infographics or data visualizations on your own, but they always end up looking simple and basic? Well, what if you could combine two of the most powerful AI tools and transform those plain visuals into fully animated professional-grade infographics? Today, we are using Google's latest AI, Gemini 3, along with NotebookLM to turn your ideas into clean, interactive, and stunning visuals. So let's dive in and see exactly how this magic works. First, open NotebookLM, where you can extract information from different types of sources to create summaries and information maps. Click on Create New and choose how you want to input your data. You can add content from Google Workspace, website, or YouTube links, plain text, or upload files such as PDFs, text, Markdown, or audio. For this tutorial, use the Discover option and go to the search bar. Enter the prompt. Create a bar chart showing the population growth of the world's top 10 most populated countries over the last 60 years. NotebookLM will search online and collect information from various sources. When the results appear, click Import so the data loads into the center panel. After the data is gathered, refine it with another prompt. Use clean labels and show each country's growth clearly. This ensures the information is clean and ready for the next step. Copy the extracted population data and go to Google AI Studio. Select Gemini 3 Pro, which is available for free, and paste this prompt along with the extracted data. Using the extracted population data, create animated bar charts and animated pie charts showing the world's top 10 most populated countries over the last 60 years. Make the animation smooth, clear, and visually modern. Use the given data for these visuals. Click Start and Gemini 3 Pro will generate your animated charts. You can preview the output directly in Google AI Studio or open it in full screen to view the smooth and visually appealing animated bar chart created using the data extracted from NotebookLM. Now we will move on to our second example, where we will again use NotebookLM with the same Discover Sources feature. Go to the prompt search bar and type How to increase business sales using AI tools. After clicking search, NotebookLM will begin gathering relevant information from different resources. Once all the extracted information appears, click Import to bring everything into the center chat panel. Here, you can create mind maps, flashcards, or infographics. But for this example, we will refine the data by giving another prompt. List 7 powerful ways any business can increase sales using AI tools. NotebookLM will search again and extract exactly the information we need. Next, open Google AI Studio, select Gemini 3 Pro again, and paste your final prompt along with the extracted information. Make a Constellation map showing the AI tools used to increase business sales. Show 7 main clusters with colored nodes, each with hover text for every skill. Gemini should instantly transform the data into clean interactive visuals, with each cluster clearly defined. Click Run, and Gemini 3 Pro will start generating the result, showing the live HTML code being created right in front of you. After it's complete, click Preview, download the result if needed, and then open it in full screen to see the animated Constellation-style visualization. You will see smooth, subtle animations where hovering over each node reveals detailed information about the different AI tools used to increase sales for various businesses. This interactive map demonstrates how neatly Gemini 3 Pro turns extracted NotebookLM data into clear, modern animated visuals. And you can create more visuals like this by adjusting the style, layout, or fonts. Now let's move towards our third example. We will again use the Discover feature in NotebookLM and go to the search bar where we will search for Impact of AI on Jobs. After the information is extracted, click Import to bring all the data into the center panel, where we can search, refine, and chat with the imported content. Once everything is ready, we will write a prompt. Based on all resources in the notebook, create a 12-slide outline titled Impact of AI on Jobs. Each slide should include a title, 3 to 4 key points, and short source references for credibility. Clicking Run will make NotebookLM generate the slide structure for us. After the outline is created, we will copy the extracted content and move to Google Gemini. Here, we will write another prompt. Turn this into a 12-slide presentation with short slide lines, smooth transitions, and suggested visuals such as timelines, charts, and key quotes. We will then select the canvas option, choose the appropriate model, Gemini 3 Pro, paste the extracted data, and click Run. Gemini 3 Pro will automatically generate a clean, well-designed presentation using the imported data. You can even open it in full screen mode to view the finished slide deck in detail. And this completes today's video on how to combine AI tools like NotebookLM and Gemini 3 Pro to create stunning visuals, animated bar charts, and complete PPT presentations. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos like this.